this is my mum. She totally effed up my room today. No, look at it. There's my bed. There's my computer with Twigger mirrors. That's my screensaver. There's my snake. There's a big ladder. Look at the walls. Different colours. And she's completely made my Digibox have no sound. Because she's just that good. Smile for the camera. Nom 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 nom.
Is everything plugged in properly?
Yeah, that's not sure. You can see the colour better now. With the light. So as you can see, this is what I'm going through at the moment. But tomorrow, hopefully, we are going to go in town and get some paint. I'm going to go, bye bye. What's with the hand? I don't know. Go get it easy now.